Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off cart on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Turning off the cart feature on your Wix website is a straightforward process that can be beneficial, especially if your business model shifts from e-commerce to a different focus like service-based offerings. Of course, that means you may no longer need a shopping cart, or if you need to pause online sales due to inventory issues, seasonal breaks, or business restructuring. Turning off the cart can prevent customers from placing orders. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to the site and mobile app and click the website. From here, click the link of your site. Now, turning off the cart is very easy. You see, this is going to be the cart or the add to cart section. Now, if your website is not primarily e-commerce focused, removing the cart right here can declutter the navigation and enhance the user experience by guiding visitors to more relevant content. All you're gonna do is right click and click on the delete option. See that? Click that, and from here you would be able to turn off the cart on Wix. By doing so, you are helping your website to align with their current business goals and improve the overall experience for your visitors. Always consider the impact on your customers before making such changes, all right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.